journeyed through the entire night. Now let's see how the journey goes. A bit more faster, 150 kilometers more. More 150 kilometers and then straight Goa. The weather is something else only. I just can't explain to you how good the weather is right now. Cloud is full settled down in that area. This cloud forgot in the night it gets dark now, so the cloud was in the sky. You couldn't see in the dark, so the cloud came down. I guess that's what happened. And that's the view. That's the view. That's the view. Everything is a view. Please share this video and get me some views as well. I survived the night with stock headlights. Yeah, my top box is back. I put the Zana top box stay. Till now it's staying. I was hearing some tuk tuk sound. So I'm every time doubting that this is hitting this when my suspension is bottoming out. Yes, it is here. See, touch this part. It's got gruff. Felt it? So it's hitting it there. तो अपने को सारी कार्ड निकालना पड़ेगा. But now I can't do all this. Later I'll see. 10 divided by 3.89. 110 divided by 3.89. I got 28 का mileage I got. 28, not bad. Let me show you the bike. So I just kept one bag on top of it. Crush it. Looks like some mountains coming. So till now the ride is pretty good. I'm not feeling that cold. Not that cold. I'm wearing winter liners. What of this? For the jacket and the riding pants as well. And the tall boots also do help. But the roads are fantastic. Like Google was right. They have actually kept up their word by saying that 90 to 95% of the work on this road has been done. And it's pretty good. I'm enjoying it. Back to the road now. That one part of the road where there are lights, usually I used to never admire it so much because I'm missing the aux lights on the bike. This is one part of the highway, you know, where I can go little bit fast. Thank you, God, providing me lights, something which we require. And the lights are gone, so I have to drop my speed again. But thank you, that helped a lot. Back to the road now. Itna paisa bharte, tax bharte, lights are not there. The road was dark earlier. One speed breaker showed up like this. Not even on a straight road, while climbing the hill. Like, can you imagine? And I took that speed breaker on almost like 50-60 speed. Aux lights, this is the exact situation in which you shouldn't be. Because from the opposite side, there's a lot of light coming straight on your face. So you can't see what's ahead of you. That's the only advantage of having aux lights in these situations. It illuminates the immediate road in front of you. The glowing white lines on the road, this means that this road was done up recently. And actually I can feel the difference a lot. It is done up because the road is quite smooth. Although it's a little bumpy, you know, like this, how the camera is shaking up and down. It's good. I'll give you a full update of the road, the NH66, because as per Google, it said that this road is almost 96% done as of January 2026. And this guy wants to take a ride. Please don't take an extreme ride. Keep in your lane. Thank you. Come again. Yeah. He's enjoying his time, bro. living his life, bro. The dog is living his life, dude. I remember this place. I remember recording this place also last time in my previous videos. If you'll have seen when I was riding the Himalayan to Goa. Some funny smell I always get in this area. There are some factories around over here, right? Sorry guys, I didn't mean to wake you up, I'm sorry. भावनाओं को समझ जाए. You want to hear how the KTM sounds inside? Look at the tunnel, wow. Okay, the tunnel roads are bad. Left the brakes. Don't brake when it gets wet. End of this tunnel. Now, time to brake and see where the road is going this side. Okay. Yeah. One thing is there, but one thing about tunnels, it keeps you warm for that 2 minutes and you feel so nice. But the weather is not that cold actually right now. It's pretty good. There was a bad stretch of road and it was only that short period. It wasn't only for that short period. Please don't curse me if I'll take this road. For the next, at least for the next 15-20 minutes, expect like 4 to 5 more diversions on the road. I've counted at least 7-8 till now. But these diversions are bad because the road is actually bad. Like you'll feel each and everything. So apart from that, right now you can see the roads are opened up again. If anything comes up, I will definitely update you guys. I think so that was the 5% of the road which is still left to be done. Apart from that, rest everything, the road is totally fine. Back to the road now, it's almost 4 o'clock. Yeah, 3:50, 4 o'clock. I'll take a next stop at a petrol pump. And the quick shifter always comes handy, you know. Let's do a mileage check. Okay. 226 divided by 7.37. 226 divided by 7.37. 30. I got 2 kilometers extra. Once the sun comes at 28 and 30 is going to drop to 26, 27 I feel. वो टाइम पे अपन थोड़ा और फास्ट चलने वाले हैं. Bike has become all dusty and dirty. I don't know from how many years the construction is on. Because there is whatever, it's fine. They're doing their job. 5:40 actually. Yeah, I can see some lights ahead for breakfast. अपन तो नहीं खाएगा लेकिन मेरा वाइफ को खाने का. Only 10% battery remaining on the DJI.
For the ride has been good. Very nice. I'll wait till the food comes, we'll eat something and then we'll head back on the road. There's just like 186 kilometers more left. That should get done in like 3 to 4 hours, I guess. So before I dig in, I just wanted to show you what I'm eating. It's omelette pav. And the pillion rider is taking a nap.
Weather is something else only. I just can't explain to you how good the weather is right now. But to be honest, till 3 in the night, it was okay. It was